A person has a reasonable chance of surviving an automobile crash if the deceleration is no more than 30 Gs. So calculate the force on a 65-kilogram person accelerating at this rate. What is the distance? What distance is traveled if it is brought to rest at this rate from 95 kilometer per hour? All right, so we have to find the force. So the force is definitely be equal to ma. So mass is 65 and acceleration is 30 g. So 30 g means 30 times 9.8. So let me calculate this one from the let me use the calculator. So 65 times 30 times 9.8 is going to be 19110 newtons, and we have to find the value of the distance traveled. So the distance traveled is going to be, we're going to use the third equation of motion. So v square is equal to v naught square plus 2as. The final speed is 0. The initial speed is be careful about the initial speed because that's given in kilometer per hour. So kilometer per hour must be converted into meter per second. So that should be multiplied by 1000 and divided by 3600. So that's coming as 26.39 up to 2 decimal places plus 2a. A is 30 g, but that's a negative because it is decelerating. So 30 times 9.8 times s is something which we need to find. So if we redecorate this, then s can be written as 26.39 square over 2 times 30 times 9.8. So this is coming as let me grab my calculator once again. This is coming as over 2 over 30 over 9.8. So this is coming as 1.18 meters. So it has traveled by this much of distance. Thank you.